That's odd. 3 pins. There should be 4 pins. Can we actually add the wheels in? Or do we need to put the pins in first? This will make your life a lot easier. Today we're going to work on the dome turntable. We should get a turntable plate, 4 bearing wheels, and that's odd. 3 pins. There should be 4 pins, but I can only see 3 in the image. So let's see. That is an error. And I think I know what happened here, because they already built 1 wheel, took photos, and then they had 3 left. So they must have taken this picture later. That's why there's 3. I don't know. Let's have a look. I hope we have 4. I don't want to machine a new one. Okay, let's see if we can open this. I do like these boxes though, they are very useful. Okay, let's get our trusty screw holder and let's get these out. Okay, that's good. 4 wheels, that's what we expect. And now let's see how many we get. Hopefully 4. Yes, 4. Excellent. So this is just an error, I think. Let's get rid of this box. All right. Very nice. Very strong. Okay, so what are we going to do? Let's have a look at these pins. Close up. Yeah, so they are directional. Now this is a bit tricky depending on your version. Some of the holes may be a bit small, so it will be hard to get the rings in or the pins in. So this is where we use our trusty plier. I'll try it by hand first. Now what you want to do is put them in place first, push them in, but not all the way through. Just enough to get them in. And remember, the rough end stays at the end. Insert the pins. This will make your life a lot easier. A little bit of wiggle. Yep. Now if you push them in too far, you can use the pliers to push them carefully back. You don't want to snap the plastic. Alright, let's put in the rest. And the last. Well, this one is easy. Right now we take one of the wheels, and it doesn't really matter which orientation. And as you can see, they fall straight through, so you may want to use pliers to hold them in place. And then you want to align up the rod. Now, let's try it from the bottom up, shall we? That's easier. Hold them in place. Try to align them, and bingo. Alright, now I've got the pin through the wheels. Now we just want to, let's see, is there a hole in the other end? Yes, there is. So now we need to align it up. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is the hard bit. Trying to align up the pin so it will fit in the hole on the other side, and there we go. As soon as this is fully smooth, you should be able to see it protrude here, and that's done. 1 done. 3 to go. So as soon as the pin is through the wheel, you want to kind of have a look. And it seems to be biased to be pushed up, so you kind of want to carefully push it down a little bit. And wiggle it till it goes in. There we go. Nice. Now there's no easy way of doing this, so I'm just keeping my finger on the bottom so they won't fall through. Carefully pull the pin back a little bit, and oops, not too much, and try to align. This is way easier if you don't film it. You don't have to look through the camera lens. Now let's see, again the pin shaft is slightly pointing up, so push the wheel down a bit, gently press on it and wiggle it in until it snaps in place. Again, be very, very careful, you don't want to break it. Alright, last. Again, finger on the bottom, slightly pull back the rod and push it in. Check the alignment, and again it seems to be all of them point slightly up, so push the wheel back and gently apply force and then push it in, and there we go. Done. Alright, see you in the next video.